Welcome to Frog's Point Honey, let's cook!
For this recipe, you're going to need leftovers, some oil, and some eggs. Whisk up an egg and add whatever leftovers you want. How wet or dry it ends up being is purely a matter of taste. Form the resulting mixture into a patty or two. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan and put in your patty. Don't move it around, just let it sit there about 90 seconds or 2 minutes. Then go ahead and flip it. Do the same thing with the other patties. When they're done, crack 1 egg for each person you're serving into the pan. Fry them up however they like it and put them on top.
Let's eat!
Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.